Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family. His father was Chief Minister of Porbandar, also father of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made from Ghati. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation, non-violence movement to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. He died 13 January 1947. People from all the religions loved and respected. Thank you.
તમામ વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ પોતાનું સુંદર મજાનું વક્તવ્ય આપ્યું. આપણી આ બધી જેટલી એક્ટિવિટીઓ છે એ આપણી એક જ દિવસમાં છોકરાઓએ તૈયાર કરી છે, એટલે સૌને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન એ માટે.